Black Friday is the day after Thanksgiving, and it kicks off the holiday season as the busiest shopping day of the year. While newspapers, magazines, TV ads, and store websites are common planning tools, seasoned shoppers and bargain beginners are now using phone apps to help find the best deal of the day.
This year on Black Friday, consumers will be using phone apps to do comparison shopping, download coupons, and shop in store. And what's important to know is that you may be shopping these big box retailers through your phone, your smartphone, or online, but a lot of local small businesses will also price match those in-store deals that you're getting, so it's good to shop around. Each year, there is always a security breach around Black Friday, so you want to make sure you have your privacy information protected. That means when you're shopping, you might want to select one credit card to do all of your Christmas shopping on. That way, when you're reviewing the statement, you know exactly what to be looking out for, and if there's a flaw, you can contact your credit card company. The consumer's responsibility when shopping on Black Friday is to know the return policy prior to making the purchase. A lot of consumers wait until they see it on the back of the receipt, and by that time it's too late. So when you're at a retailer, know that policy. If it's a pop-up store or a kiosk at the mall that's only temporary for the holidays, they might be offering you a 90-day return window, but if they're only there for 30 days, that doesn't help you as a consumer. So the best way to shop is to know the return policy, and if you aren't 100% comfortable, use your credit card so that you have that 60-day dispute window with your credit card and a reputable bank. If you're shopping on Cyber Monday, you want to make sure that you're not using an open public access network. It's important to have your information secure when you're shopping online. You might want to use multiple passwords for different websites, or maybe to track your sales, you could create a sample email like myamazonemail@gmail.com so that you know all of those sales are going right into that one email address, so you can track your purchases that way. Also, if you're online, make sure that you're using a credit card that's with a reputable bank, so that financial institution will protect you if there is a case of identity theft. On Cyber Monday, it's very important to use strong passwords. A lot of hackers will be intentionally surfing the web looking for your information. So include special characters, numbers, upper and lowercase letters, and also to make sure that website is secure, you want to look in the URL that it says https:// rather than just HTTP. That way you know that website is secure.
If you have a complaint or question regarding a merchant or purchase, contact the Fairfax County Consumer Affairs Branch. Investigators can be reached Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. at 703-222-8435, TTY 711, or visit fairfaxcounty.gov/consumer for 24/7 consumer information.